Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have our 2008 Toyota Camry with the hybrid. We're going to go over how you'd replace the blinker light and your side marker light on this vehicle. The high beam and the low beam, you're able to replace them by reaching your hands down through here to be able to replace them. But when it comes to the blinker, so when it comes to this blinker and the side marker light, you'll either need to remove the bumper and detach the headlight housing and pull it away a little bit, or this fender, if you open up the fender well by taking the couple clips here that hold the fender well together, you could reach your hand up. You'll be able to reach your hand up through here and be able to reach these and replace them that way. But we have the light pulled away a little bit, and so we're going to go over how you do that. So the light's been pulled away. We're going to replace this light here. This is your blinker light. Twist that a quarter turn to the left, or quarter turn counterclockwise, and then be able to grab the light and pull it and unhook it from the connector. And the turn signal light bulb is a 3457 natural amber, and the amber is the color of the light bulb itself. Because this doesn't have an amber color on the front, you're going to want to have this light bulb to be amber so that people know when you're turning, when you have the blinker turned on to turn. So you'll take your new bulb and be able to just line it up in there and then snap it in and lock it into place. And then take this and enter it in a 45. Also the tabs will only line up because you've got a large tab on the bottom. So they'll line up there and then lock that into place. And so that's how you replace your blinker light. Now if you're getting your side marker light, it's essentially the same. So the side marker is right down here. You're going to twist that a quarter turn. You're going to pull it out like this. And now the side marker light is just a nice clear one because we have an amber color on the outside. And so our side marker bulb is going to be a 12961. And so it's a 12961 bulb is what you're going to get for that side marker to replace. So we've got a new bulb, and we're going to put that in, and you just take it and press it in. It's just a snap in and it snaps out. So you take it, you snap it back in, same thing. We're going to have larger tabs, smaller tabs to be able to line up in the hole. There. And so you just twist it, lock it into place. And so that's how you replace all your lights on the front. If you remove the housing, you just reattach the housing, put the bolts back in, and put the bumper back on. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.